Hello everyone, today we are going to explain noun and its kinds, but if you are new to my channel then subscribe the channel and like the video. Well, without wasting the time let's move and start it. First we should know that concept of noun in grammar. So can be defined as: a noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, idea, or action. Nouns are one of the most important parts of speech in English, and they can play many different roles in a sentence. For example, person, love, home, computer, etc. are all nouns. Well, as you have understood noun but you have not understood kinds of a noun, so let's move and learn one by one in detail. Abstract noun. An abstract noun is a noun that refers to a concept or idea that cannot be seen or touched. Abstract nouns name qualities, states of being, emotions, actions, events, or ideas. They are the opposite of concrete nouns, which name things that can be seen or touched. For example, love, happiness, freedom, and justice, etc. Just look at these nouns. They are considered abstract nouns because they represent concepts or qualities that cannot be experienced through the five physical senses. These concepts exist in the realm of thoughts, emotions, and ideas, rather than being tangible or observable objects. Concrete noun. A concrete noun is a noun that refers to a physical thing, person, or place that can be perceived with the senses. Concrete nouns name things that can be seen, touched, heard, smelled, or tasted. They are the opposite of abstract nouns, which name concepts or ideas that cannot be seen or touched. For example, book, boy, car, table, etc. Basically they are considered concrete nouns because they are physical, tangible objects that can be perceived through the five senses. You can see, touch, hear, and interact with these objects in the real world. They have a physical existence and can be directly experienced or observed. Material noun. A material noun refers to a substance from which things are made. It's a type of noun that denotes the material or substance of an object. For example, cotton, water, gold, wood, etc. Actually, they are considered material nouns because they refer to specific substances or materials from which objects can be made. These nouns denote the raw materials that are used to create various products or items. They represent tangible substances that have physical properties and can be used to manufacture different things. You can say like this shirt was made from cotton, or this necklace was made of pure gold, or the table was made of wood. These are the names of materials. Because of them we create new things, so that is why they are called material nouns. Compound noun. A compound noun is formed by combining two or more words to create a single noun that represents a single idea or concept. Compound nouns can be written as separate words, hyphenated words, or combined words. For example, football, washroom, classroom, toothpaste, etc. They are considered compound nouns because they are formed by combining two or more words to create a single noun that represents a specific concept. Proper noun. A proper noun is a noun that refers to a specific person, place, or thing. Proper nouns are always capitalized, no matter where they occur in a sentence. For example, John, France, Google, America, etc. They are considered proper nouns because they are specific names that refer to unique, individual entities. Like John is a proper noun because it is a specific name given to a particular person. It distinguishes that individual from others with different names. And France is a proper noun because it is the specific name of a country. It is capitalized to distinguish it from the common noun, country, and to refer to the specific nation. Common noun. A common noun is a general name given to a class or category of people, places, things, or concepts. It does not refer to a specific individual entity, but rather to any member of a group. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. For example, dog, city, game, man, book, etc. Actually, they are considered common nouns because they refer to general categories of things. They are not specific to any one person, place, or thing. Collective noun. A collective noun is a word used to represent a group of individuals, animals, or things as a single entity. It's a singular noun that refers to a collection or gathering of items. For example, army, flock, herd, family, team, etc. They are considered collective nouns because they are used to describe groups of individuals, animals, or things as a single unit or entity. Just look at the word army. It is a collective noun because it represents a large group of soldiers organized for military purposes. It treats the group as a single entity despite the many individuals within it. Same as the case with the word flock, it is also a collective noun used for groups of birds or sheep. It refers to a gathering of these animals as a unified whole. Well guys, I hope you have understood the concept of noun and its kinds, so do not forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.